How much does it cost to finish your existing basement? We can say finishing a basement could range anywhere from $40, $45, and it could go all the way up to $100 a square foot. It really depending on the finishes and things that you want in the basement. If you're not creating any type of extra room, if you're just finishing an open area, of course it's gonna be probably in the $40 to $50 a square foot range. But when you start adding bathrooms, wet bar, custom millwork, custom doors, adding an egress window to make it a legal bedroom, all those things gonna cost. All those items is a big factor of finishing a basement. So your price can go up a lot or it can go up a less depending on what you choose and type of options, depending on options that you want to put in the basement. So what is the benefit of using our company for basement renovation? Great thing about our company about basement renovation is our company will actually provide you 3D rendering of the whole basement, how it's gonna look, making sure that this is what you're looking for. We'll have all the plans, rendering, layouts, and all that stuff in detail. So when you guys are ready to sign the contract, we're signing the contract based on that particular design. We have a design team, we have a designer that's gonna help client during all the material selection, designing phases to make sure that you have the best outcome of the basement renovation. Does designers make big difference in basement renovations? I will say yes, because designers are basically, their job is to keep up to date materials, what's trending, what is not, a lot of new ideas. That's all they do. By having a designer help you with selections, with colors, layouts, materials, let's just say a same price project, but the outcome will be day and night. I'm not talking bad to people that do the work themselves, but sometimes they're too busy doing a good work on site. They might not have time to learn what's trending about the designs and stuff like that. They might not be up to current trends, I guess. Having a designer helping you guide the way, it can definitely give you a little bit of unique upscale look to your basement renovation. For basement renovations, should we keep same floor throughout the whole basement, or should we use different materials, different flooring for different rooms? It's personal preference. I personally like just one type of floor throughout, but if customer does want to put a carpet in a bedroom, that's pretty common. Or we can put, what's really popular right now will be like LVT flooring, luxury vinyl tiles. We'll put that on the main basement flooring, and maybe in a theater room, we can actually put a carpet, help with sound, and also give a little bit of warm feel to it. But those are the things that's gonna be really personal preference, and a designer can help you make those decisions depending on your circumstances. For patio doors, I personally like French doors just because it gives you an option to open both doors for bigger openings, but it's personal preferences. It's also budgeting issues. French doors are gonna be a little bit more expensive than a slider, but in my opinion, French door is nicer. That's something that I will get instead of a slider. Is soundproofing required in basement renovations? It's not required by code, but would I recommend it? Yes, but that's also in a budget issue. Least expensive option to soundproof is maybe adding Rockwall soundproof installations. I probably would recommend definitely in a theater room, and possibly even in a bathroom walls and a ceiling, which is pretty inexpensive. It is not required by code, but it is something that we do recommend, maybe in the bathroom areas, maybe in the bedroom, in the basements, and a theater room. But you as a homeowner need to make the final decision. No, the soundproofing is not too expensive, it's not too difficult, and that could be a great DIY project, over the weekends. Let's just say contractor came in, did all the framing, electrical, plumbing, mechanical. They finished all that and got all the permits and county inspections all passed for all the rough-ins. Then it'll be a good weekend project as a homeowner to add those installations yourself. They're not difficult to do. That's something that I can tell homeowner, yeah, if you guys want to do it over the weekend, that'll be like an over the weekend project.